Hey, what's going on, YouTubers? Just wanted to show you the old Anycubic Predator busting out face masks for the first responders. I found another website that will allow you to join in the fight and help print stuff. It's called We the Builders, www.wethebuilders.com. And if you go to that site, they actually have a project arranged where you can download a part of the project. It actually identifies the part numbers that you've downloaded, and then you become responsible for printing and sending those parts off to a central location. So for me, this was just another way of doing my best to try and help out with what's going on. This machine can bust out about 3 every 9 hours, so they require a minimum of 3 sets. The set includes the face shield, the face headband, which this is 3 headbands, and then there's 3 little rectangular parts that go on the bottom of the face shield. Once you send these to the central location, then they assemble the plastic face shield onto these components that we're printing. So just wanted to show you guys that we can help. We can turn our printers into potentially life-saving devices. So do your best, and good luck to everyone.